We've all experienced walking into someone's home and being struck by its pristine, welcoming atmosphere. These spaces don't require exhausting cleaning marathons. They're maintained through simple, intentional daily habits. Let's explore 6 powerful practices that can transform your living space without overwhelming effort. 1. Never leave a room empty-handed. One of the most effective habits for maintaining tidiness is remarkably simple. Never walk out of a room without taking something that doesn't belong there. This continuous movement of items back to their proper places prevents clutter from accumulating in the first place. Imagine finishing your morning coffee in the living room. Instead of leaving the mug on the side table, take it with you when you head to the kitchen. Notice a book that belongs on the shelf? Carry it along when you move to that room. This habit keeps possessions in constant motion, naturally returning to their designated spaces without requiring dedicated cleaning sessions. This approach is particularly valuable because it prevents clutter buildup in common areas, distributes cleaning effort throughout the day in manageable increments, eliminates the need for exhausting tidying marathons, maintains a baseline of organization that makes your home feel consistently cared for. The beauty of this habit lies in its simplicity. Small actions integrated into your natural movements throughout the day create significant impact over time. 2. Follow the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately rather than postponing it. This simple principle prevents small tasks from accumulating into overwhelming projects. Consider these everyday scenarios. Hanging up your coat takes 10 seconds. Sorting mail and recycling junk immediately takes under a minute. Wiping down the bathroom sink after use takes less than 2 minutes. Rinsing dishes rather than letting them pile up takes seconds per item. When you handle these minor tasks immediately, you prevent the gradual buildup that makes cleaning feel like a chore. Instead of facing a sink full of dishes or counters covered in unopened mail, your space remains consistently tidy through minimal, distributed effort. This habit doesn't just maintain physical cleanliness, it also creates mental clarity. Each completed task, no matter how small, provides a sense of accomplishment and control over your environment. 3. Reset your home before bed. How your morning begins significantly impacts your entire day. Waking up to a tidy, organized space creates a sense of calm and order before you've even had your first cup of coffee. Establish a nightly reset routine that takes just 5 to 10 minutes before bedtime. Straighten couch cushions and fold throws. Clear and wipe kitchen counters. Ensure dishes are washed or in the dishwasher. Return items to their proper places. Do a quick visual sweep for anything out of place. This brief evening ritual creates a gift for your future self, a peaceful environment to start your day. Rather than waking to yesterday's clutter and feeling behind before you begin, you'll face each morning in a reset space that energizes rather than depletes you. The key to making this habit sustainable is focusing on basic tidying rather than deep cleaning. The goal isn't perfection but preparation, setting yourself up for success the following day. 4. Prioritize high-traffic areas. The most efficient approach to home maintenance focuses energy on the spaces that create the strongest impression of cleanliness. When key areas remain tidy, the entire home feels more organized, even if some less visible spaces aren't perfectly maintained. Concentrate your daily attention on kitchen countertops *, clear surfaces make meal preparation easier and instantly make the kitchen feel organized. Wipe them down daily and keep appliances either stored away or neatly arranged. Entryway *, this creates the first impression of your home. Keep shoes organized, hang coats promptly, and maintain a clear surface for keys and mail with a system for processing items quickly. Living room surfaces * coffee tables, end tables, and other visible surfaces should remain relatively clear. Develop simple systems for magazines, remote controls, and commonly used items. Main pathways * ensure the floors in high-traffic areas stay clear of obstacles and receive regular attention with quick sweeping or vacuuming. By maintaining these focal points, your home will consistently feel welcoming and organized, even if some closets or less frequently used rooms aren't perfectly arranged. This targeted approach makes cleaning feel manageable rather than overwhelming. 5. Embrace daily maintenance over deep cleaning. Marathon cleaning sessions are not only exhausting, but also unnecessary when you incorporate small maintenance tasks into your daily routine. Consistent, brief cleaning activities prevent dirt and clutter from accumulating to levels that require intensive intervention. Effective daily maintenance might include wiping kitchen surfaces after preparing meals, sweeping high-traffic floor areas, handling laundry promptly rather than allowing it to accumulate, addressing spills and messes immediately, running a quick vacuum when needed rather than waiting for a designated cleaning day. Dedicating just 15 minutes daily to these small tasks eliminates the need for entire weekends spent cleaning. This approach is particularly valuable as it distributes physical effort in manageable increments rather than demanding exhausting deep cleaning sessions. The psychological benefit is equally important. Maintaining control over your environment in small daily actions creates a consistent sense of accomplishment and peace rather than cycles of mess and intense cleaning. 6. Create shared responsibility. A consistently clean home is rarely the result of one person's effort. When everyone who lives in or regularly uses a space contributes to its maintenance, the work becomes lighter and more sustainable. Establish simple systems everyone can follow. Each person returns their own items to designated places. Everyone handles their dishes after meals. Shared spaces receive attention from all household members. Brief family cleanup sessions, 10 to 15 minutes, become part of the daily routine. This distributed approach not only makes maintaining the home more manageable, but also builds a shared sense of ownership and pride in the space. When cleanliness becomes a collective value, rather than one person's responsibility, the home naturally stays more organized with less effort from any individual. The key to effortless cleanliness. The transformative insight these habits reveal is that a consistently clean home doesn't require exhausting effort. It comes from small, intentional actions integrated throughout your day. Rather than viewing cleaning as a dreaded task to tackle when things become unmanageable, these practices maintain baseline order that prevents overwhelming messes from forming. By adopting even one or two of these habits, you'll notice significant improvements in how your home feels and functions. The cumulative effect of these simple practices creates living spaces that remain welcoming and organized without demanding hours of dedicated cleaning time. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, but rather creating a home that supports your well-being through manageable, sustainable practices. A consistently clean home isn't about impressing others. It's about creating an environment where you can relax, recharge, and enjoy your space without the constant burden of looming cleaning tasks. Which of these habits will you implement first? Preserving leg strength and function. Incorporate calf-specific exercises, calf raises, resistance band work. Walk on inclines when possible. Ensure adequate protein intake for muscle preservation. Consider circulation-supporting habits like regular movement throughout the day. Explore toe and foot exercises that engage the entire lower leg muscle chain. Practice balance exercises that strengthen stabilizing muscles. Consider compression garments if circulation problems emerge. Monitor vitamin B12 levels, which affect nerve function in extremities. Explore vibration plate exercises, which may enhance blood flow and muscle activation. The wisdom of working with nature. Understanding these natural transformations helps men approach aging with knowledge and confidence. While some changes are inevitable, many can be managed effectively with targeted strategies that support overall health and vitality throughout the aging process. Rather than fighting aging, the most successful approaches work in harmony with the body's natural rhythms while supporting its changing needs. This might mean adapting exercise routines to emphasize strength and flexibility over pure endurance, adjusting nutritional intake to support tissue maintenance, and developing self-care practices that honor the body's evolving requirements. The men who age most gracefully often approach these changes with curiosity rather than resistance, seeing each transformation as an opportunity to deepen their understanding of their own biology. This mindset, coupling acceptance with proactive management, creates a foundation for vibrant health well into the 8th and 9th decades of life.